Low-calorie overnight apple oats. Start by taking a cup on a scale and set it to 0. Weigh off 35 grams of oats. Add about 120 grams of Greek yogurt. Add 1 tablespoon of cinnamon and 1 tablespoon of salt. I like to add 20 grams of low-calorie sweetener. Weigh off another 150 grams of unsweetened almond milk. Take a plate and a knife and start cutting your apple in little pieces. Add the apples to the cup and start stirring with a spoon. When it's mixed well, you can finish the oats off with some cinnamon and then put it in the refrigerator for the next morning. Thank you for watching, please like and subscribe and see you next time.